Hi guys and girls, my name is Ralph from Easy Car Detailing, and today I will show you how to clean your wheels so they look brand new again. No voodoo, no commercial talk, you can easily do it yourself. How long will it take and what will it cost? Well, it will take you about 15 minutes per wheel, and you can work on 2 wheels at the same time. That will save you some time when you're working on it. And the cost? Buy an iron remover like I bought Monello non-ferro iron remover, but there are a lot of other brands like Gyeon or Gyeon iron X remover and some other brands that I will mention below at the video. I don't advise to use another wheel cleaner that is not made specifically to remove iron brake dust, simply because it will not work as well as an iron remover. What do you need more? Well, if you have a pressure washer, that works the best, but it will work also with a normal garden hose. Also, it's best to use some plastic disposable gloves, simply because the iron remover stinks really well and the smell on your hands will stay for a while. A brush or a small piece of cloth will also help you, as you will see in the video. The total cost is about $20 to $25 US, and once your wheels are clean and protected, like I will also show you in the video, then it will cost you $10 US extra for a wheel sealant or wax. Then it's very easy to clean your wheels, so you can use the iron remover that is left for a very long time. Only in the beginning you need some more, because that's the first time that you clean your very dirty wheels. Well, as you can see, we start with spraying the iron remover on the wheel and then wait for about 4 to 5 minutes. The iron remover will turn purple once there's a reaction with the brake dust. As you can see, once I rinsed it, there's still some brake dust left in the corners, which are never cleaned, and where the brake dust is really burnt inside the wheel. Therefore, the iron remover has most difficulties with removing the brake dust. In most cases, with a medium dirty wheel, it's enough just to rinse it, but in this case, I just take some small cloth and rub it a bit. This will do the trick for sure. When a wheel is really dirty, it's a fairy tale that you just spray some iron remover on it and rinse it off. I can also make such a video that it would look like that, but with a really dirty wheel it will not work this way. You can't see from the wheel dust or on the video itself it's really burnt in. Only when you touch it by hand, as I do in the video, you can feel it's burnt inside the aluminium. Once it's cleaned, I first dry it with a microfiber cloth that I only use for the wheels. You must never use this for the paint of the car, just to avoid scratches on the paint. I also want some extra shine on the wheels, so I use some Mother's aluminium polish. After that, the wheel is really clean and shiny. But now we also want to protect it. Just because once it's protected, it's really easy to clean it when they are dirty again. In this case, I use some wheel sealant from Poorboys. It will cost you $10. But you can also use any other brand that you can find. But I really like the Poorboys because it's not very expensive and it works really well. Now when the wheel sealant is on the wheel, it's protected as well for dirt and water. Well guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos then please subscribe and look at all the other videos I've made for you. I will discuss all the major parts in future videos for easy cleaning your car. Without your help I can't make these videos, so once again please subscribe and I will see you back for my next video.